My name is Grzegorz Stańczak. I work as a process engineer and optimization manager at Spedimex. How we use is the case of how we found at this point that we are today. Yes, because the background is very important, I think, for every user of the FlexSim's software. Because, okay, Spedimex is a logistic operator operating in Polish market for the retail companies. Yes, so we are facing with a lot of challenges that we do the services for our clients. Yes, they are mainly from the retail and fashion markets, so it's not so easy market, of course, especially right now. From the beginning, when I started to manage the department of the optimization and engineering, we use a lot of calculation software, yes, but we came to the point that the process started to being very complex and much more difficult, yes, that it was before. So we started to look up for the best software, best practices at the market that could help us to optimize process, to improve process, and to speed up processes right now, yes, because we have our knowledge, but we want to go with our processes on the higher level. To be honest, it was a kind of first shot, yes. I type in Google the simulation software, and the FlexSim was at the top one. So I contacted with InterMarium for the offer, but at the first time it was not for the offer, but for the for try to know the offer of the software and of the InterMarium as services at all. Yes, so I go deeper to this. Yes, I contacted with Philip, and it was not an easy decision because I need to go to the stakeholders to show them the possibilities, to show them what could be the advantages, how could we use it, where can we use it, yes. And finally I convinced, I showed that there's a big potential, and after a few months after we were trained at the using of FlexSim, we built a brand new model for the new operation for one of our clients, yes, and it was built as we modeled it in FlexSim software, yes. Okay, we started the commercial discussion at the beginning, but the InterMarium take care of us, and they proposed us the trainings, the certified trainings, yes, what is very important for us. They were always some kind of help desk for us, yes, when we got to the point with no return, yes, they were there for us, and they helped us to find the fast and to solve each problems that we found, yes, that we couldn't go through. I'm very glad to be here, and I'm very surprised of the lecturers at this conference, yes, because everything is at a very high level. Yes, we heard about how in the United States they use the simulation software and how it was developed, and what was the main purposes. Yes, because okay, I use it mainly for the operational at warehouses. Yes, but the FlexSim's software has a lot of potential. Yes, so we heard it could be used in medical, healthcare. Yes, in military Solutions event, so it was very interesting to hear about this.